shooting. Achan playing it long. Kangam gets there. Kangam through the goalkeeper, and Kangam opens the scoring for haokhok. 3 games in a row now where Kangam has found the back of the net, and he has opened the scoring here for haokhok in the first 3 minutes of the game. Achan playing it long. Kangam gets there. Kangam through the goalkeeper, and Kangam, good flick on. Chanso. Delaying there, Chanso for Cat, and Cat finds the back of the net in his first start in the Young Football League, and it is 2-0 to haokhok. Beautiful football from haokhok there. Flick on first from Kangam to release Chanso. Delaying there, Chanso for Cat, and Cat finds the back of the net in his first start in the Young Football League, and it is more than the game against Rupai. And the nerau coach rolling his eyes, hoping that Hiroching will make an impact in this game. Melee inside the box, and it is wung who gets the final touch to the ball, and they now have a goal back. Impact in this game. Melee inside the box, and it is wung who gets the final touch. Yongching vying for the ball. Lowly and Ningumshang it was, and Ningumshang gets it away. Another throw in for nerau. haokhok won the final whistle, full-time whistle to be played, and the referee blows the full-time whistle as haokhok register their first win of the season in their 3rd time of trying. So at the end of 90 minutes here, it is haokhok 2, nerau 1, as haokhok walk away with all 3 points in game week 4.